It's a foggy day today. Got another one, got another one. Feels like another trout. Or two, yeah. Double it up on the trout. Yeah. Nice. On the shrimp, and then I changed this one to shrimp flavored fish bite. So they are liking the shrimp today. Tell them subscribe. Subscribe to Southern Family Living. All right, so I got a sinker on the bottom, sand flea fish bite, then some shrimp, and I'm also going to wrap that with some wire or some thread around this, so when I cast it out, it stays on there good. This is a Gulf Coast rig. Sorry, I can't talk today. The water is super calm. It's really foggy. My best option is to get some trout and or black drum. Now I got a pompano rig. Frisky Fins, cool dude, sent me a shirt and some pompano rigs. So I got the pink hooks, pink bead, a white float, and then on the bottom I have a pink float, pink hook, pink bead with a pink flavored shrimp fish bite, and then I got my sinker on the bottom. So we'll put that out there and let's see what we get. All right guys, welcome back to another episode. You're with Southern Family Living. Today I'm in Dauphin Island, like I said earlier. We're looking for a little bit of action today. Last weekend the fishing conditions here weren't good at all. It was like 20-mile-per-hour wind. It was ridiculous. I tried to do some surf fishing off the beach, which is this way, but the water was so far out. I'm not going to do all that. So I'm trying to get some black drum, trout, anything biting really. So which I'm getting a few nibbles. I think it's just croaker so far. So yeah, subscribe right now because you have a chance to win the subscriber giveaway. Once I hit 500, I will be doing that giveaway. I might do a first and second place, possibly a third place. So subscribe right now, comment down below. I am doing a pompano tournament coming up very soon. Super pumped up about that. Also thank you to Frisky Fins. Hold on, that was a hard bite, but it's off. All right, thank you Frisky Fins for sending me all these pompano rigs and a t-shirt. You're awesome. Everybody check him out. He's got some really good pompano rigs. So yeah, I'm gonna get off the camera. Subscribe right now. Likes are appreciated. I'm about to try to catch some fish today. On this one, what is it? Is it debris? Oh, I got two fish. Nice. I doubled up back there, guys. Got two white trout out of it. Both on, one was on the fish bite shrimp flavor and the other one was on just a regular shrimp. So I'm gonna give it back. Thanks a lot, man. There's one. See something. See something. Might be a white trout again. Might be a white trout. Whoa. Yes, it is. White trout, baby. Yes. There you are. He smoked it. Absolutely. That one's getting hit pretty hard down there. I gotta hurry up. These hooks, Frisky Fins, are a game changer. There we go. Throw it back. That one's getting hit. Nothing. I was a little too late. So just caught another trout down there on the far end, which I'm sure you saw. Frisky, great hooks that you sent. They were tearing them up. and just to get them out of the mouth, you can tell how good they actually set. So awesome, awesome rig. Let's try to get some more. Maybe we can get some keeper size, and I'm having fun. I think it's foul hooked. Doubled up, and I am doubled up on the trout. Nice. There we go. Got a little, that one's barely hooked. Let me help you out, man. Thanks for the catch. Have a good one. So they're liking both baits. Means I'm doing good. Whoa, that's a nice bite. Okay. Might be doubled up, might be something good. Let's see. Got a little fight to it. Trout. That little guy fought hard. Thing about these white trout, I know this spot so well, and I catch these on. If they're here, this spot that I'm at, I can catch as many as I want. Nice catch. Thanks, bud. There we go. Might have came off, not feeling much, but that's still there. Trout on the sand fleet. Just bite. Got another trout. All right, guys, I've probably been here 45 minutes and I've caught a pretty decent amount of trout. That one's getting bit pretty good. But what I'm doing, there's a hole out there that's, you can tell it's deeper water. I'm just casting on one side of it and on the other side. And if the trout are here, the white trout, they're gonna bite. You're gonna catch as many as you want. So just gotta see the water, know where to cast, and know where the sandbar is. But so far so good. Let's keep it going. Got another white trout, guys, on the fish bite. Southern family living. I'll check it out. Yeah, please do. Cool. Y'all take care. All right, you too. Thank you. Hooked up pretty good, unless it's foul hooked. I think it's foul hooked. It's definitely foul hooked. No, it's just a big old catfish. Got another one, guys, on the shrimp, I believe. Feels like another catfish, maybe. No, just a good sized trout. On the fish bite. Okay. Barely hooked. That's a pretty good size one, guys. Don't let it fool you. That is pretty good size. Got another one, got another one. Feels like another trout. Or two. Yeah. Double it up on the trout. Yeah. Nice. On the shrimp. And then I changed this one to shrimp flavored fish bite. So they are liking the shrimp today. That was barely hooked. This one was a little guy. See ya, thanks for the catch. And then this little guy was barely hooked as well. He's decent, not too bad. Perfect. It's been back to back, non-stop today. I love it. Best fishing that I've had in a while. I will see you, bud. Thanks for the catch. And uh-oh, looks like Fred might get him. Uh-oh. Nope, Fred didn't get him. Good day, good day. Yeah, I double up again or just get one? Just one. I'll take it. I will take it. And we're going to end it on this one. I mean, just non-stop today. Perfect. See the shrimp? I'll let them keep it. Get out of there, Hook. Thanks for the catch, man. Tell them subscribe. Subscribe to Southern Family Living. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a super fun one. I mean, from the time I got out here, once I figured out, you know, reading the water, seeing the deep spots, and seeing what the fish wanted to eat, it was easy. I mean, doubling it up, almost every cast, just catching them non-stop. I could have stayed here forever and caught as many as I wanted to. So anyways, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, stay tuned for the Pompano tournament coming up. There's like 14 of us. All of us are Gulf Coast YouTubers. I mean, you don't want to miss that. And please subscribe. 500 subscriber giveaway coming right up. As soon as I hit it, I will be doing a giveaway. It's free. Subscribe. Comment what you want to see down below. And yeah, I mean, if you're ever in Dauphin Island, hit me up. I'd love to fish with you. I got a couple people that's already hit me up, so I'm always down to fish. But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here, go home, see the family, and yeah, remember, keep it Southern. Almost forgot, huge shout out to Frisky Fins once again. I mean, it was non-stop on this this one down here. I got quite a few of his Pompano rigs I will be using for the Pompano tournament, but his stuff is really good, so make sure you check that out, show him some love. Anyways, see you in the next one.